Hello everyone! I'm here to share the MERS project. For those of you who are not familiar with the term MERS, it means male purse. So it's just a little funny name for this project. It is just a masculine style in terms of my handbag series. So I want to create something a little more masculine, and this is what I came up with. The papers that I'm using here, I have two kits available for this project, and I'm going to show them to you. This one particularly is MERS 2, and you'll see exactly what I mean once you go to my blog and go to my kits a la carte section to pick yours up. So this style paper collection is MERS 2, and I'll show you the one for MERS 1 in just a moment. So it opens up via this closure right here. You get some really nice belting in your kit. Both collections have two different flavors. It opens up two ways. So you've got this mechanism here, and then you get this cool little closure over here, and it opens up like this. So really fun project. So this is kind of inspired by, I would say, messenger bag slash man's carry-all. For those of you who used to watch Seinfeld, there was a whole episode with his man's carry-all, which was pretty funny. But anyway, I did it up a little bit here on the outside cover, which is not typical, right? When we're making an album, we don't put pockets on the outside cover, but I did, and really fun. So I did a stacked pocket where they overlap, but you still do not lose none of the inside space for the pocket. So you still have all of that real estate inside, but you have this just really tapered look, I guess I can say, with these three pockets, and it just gives you a really nice design. Here are a couple of tags from 7 Gypsies you get in your kit. This project size is approximately, I think it's 6 by 8, and maybe a little bit more, maybe 8.5. So you get a really nice, generous size on your pages for full-size photographs, because that's what I'm all about, guys. Really nice pocket assembly here. Opportunity for photographs on this side, and you can do this up however you want. So I've got all sorts of photo mats and tags in here, and you can just load it up. And then the way that this one opens is right here on this side, and it's featuring what I call my picture-friendly pages, where these pages are designed with clear, designated areas for photographs. So if you're gifting this to a person that is not a crafter, they won't look at it and say, this is really cool, but what am I supposed to do with it? So you give them a clear indication as to where to slip or tuck or place their photographs, which is always fun to do. So you can design your pages out and your photo mats out like this, and it gives them a space, where to put their pictures. So this one features 3 tag or photo mat sizes, a small, a medium, and a large. And all of this information is in the tutorial. Again, generous size pockets on the inside covers just still, so you can maximize that space and add photographs. So there's 2 page designs in this one. There's this flip down area, again, picture friendly areas. But still, we don't, in order to allow us to do this picture-friendly design, it doesn't take away from the interaction in the album, which is what we all love. We like all the flips, the flaps, the pockets, and all that fun stuff. But we also need some spaces to put photographs. And doing it up this way makes the album less choppy, all right, where you still can enjoy the picture and you're just not looking at the top of somebody's head if, there's just a pocket here, or something like this where you insert it, okay? So, and then it repeats itself with the base page, and if you want to do the same design, you will need the film strip punch by EK Success, which is this one right here. Love it, so versatile, definitely one to have. What I love about it, it's a departure from all of the other punches out there, which are mostly florals. So this is a really nice design to have. And then the third page is this 3 pocket assembly, but again, picture-friendly areas where you have opportunities for a photograph and then some more photographs here if you want, but for journaling and whatever it is that you want to put in here. All right, so these are the albums. It comes with these cardstock colors. Again, this style is MERS 2. All right, and then I'll show you the kits and the paper collections. Okay, so really, really fun. Love it. I love the nail head. I call this nail head detail, but they're brads. You know, the furniture with the nail head style. Kind of old world, but I love mixing and matching those modern look with kind of old world style. It gives it a really nice look. Love doing that. So MERS 2, which is what you saw right now, is featuring the Jelly Bean Soup Irish Farmhouse Soup Collection, which is really fun. Okay. And I should have took this out before I started. My apologies. Not good, not good. So you get all of these goodies. You get all of the chipboard you need to make the project. You get the paper collection. Again, Jelly Bean Soup Irish Farmhouse Collection. Lots of fun stickers, cutouts. Well, not cutouts, die cuts. Die cuts and stickers. Yep, sorry, some cutouts right here, which is what I use to make the album super fabulous. A few manufacturers here just to jazz the kit up. Also from Jelly Bean Soup, we've got the clear stamp, so you get both of these in your kit, which I love these. Oh, excuse me, you get a third one, and you get this one as well. Okay, really fun titles and sentiments, so very usable stamps, not something that you're only going to use with this paper collection, but with paper collections to come. And how fun is this one, really? Love it. Send with care. Then to jazz it up, we've got some basic gray Hey You cutouts and tags and journaling spots. Love these. I think every paper collection should make these. And some more basic gray from the Hey Boy collection. These acetate and cardstock pieces loaded with lots of fun stuff, and you see that throughout my album. Then some fancy pants pieces. All right, these are, and both kits have the same thing. This is their chalk line where you can actually write with chalkboard on here, but I will tell you, it's vinyl. So I was a little bit about that, but still fun. I mean, we can do it up, but I got to be honest with you guys. When I saw it, I was like, this is not chalk, this is vinyl. So that's that. And then we get some really fun cork pieces to add to our pages. Love those arrow shapes. And this, we got to put it back here. Okay. The vinyl, not the chalk. So, and then here we've got some really cute tag designs by Seven Gypsy. A departure from the typical Ranger style tags with the angled corners. This one has like this ticket area here, which is, I gotta say, a nice change for tag designs. And then some pebble art. These are pebbles, tags, really cute sentiments, and all of these colors just match really nicely. Another item from Pebbles, some tags and pockets. Really fun, completely finished with the twine, love, love, love. And those are the designs on the back side. And then for the fun stuff, all of the hardware and closure and belting that you need. So you get a yard of this navy belting with the Jelly Bean Soup Irish Farmhouse Collection. You get your brads that you need to do the nail head detail and also your eyelets. And then you get your closure, a few of the fun little, they're not D-rings, these are like triangle rings, all right? And some of the fun stuff to finish it up. All right, so you get 2 hooks because we use 2 hooks there, the closure, and 1, 2, 3, 3 of the 2 of these pieces right here. Well, why don't I open it? I don't know what these are called, guys. I call this stuff all hardware. So you get the closure, you get 2 of the hooks, and then you get 2 of these pieces right here and 2 of these pieces right here. All right, and then not to mention all of the cardstock that you get to make these fun, interactive, picture-friendly photos. So let me show you the cardstock. The cardstock colors are so fun and fresh. What I love about it is that you can make a page completely out of cardstock and just add a tiny bit of pattern paper, and it's just perfect because you mix and match. So you get 10 sheets of each color. All right, and this is specifically the cardstock for the jelly bean soup. And so I don't have to take it out of here. I'm going to do this really quickly. It's these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors, and you get 10 of each. All right, so you get 70 sheets of cardstock in this kit, which is perfect. And this one is the same color here. But they're beautiful, and you're going to enjoy making this kit. All right, guys, it's really fun. So now let's get to the second option, which is over here. This one is Captured Memories by Fancy Pants. Okay. And this one has, let's see. This one has all sorts of fun little goodies, all Fancy Pants. There's no mix and match of a paper collection here. This is all Fancy Pants. Same hardware that you get with the other one I just showed you, except that the belting is a camel taupey type of color that as you see here. Okay, so you get the paper collection, you get your chipboard. Let me show you the cardstock colors over here, which I'll have to take these out because I don't have any extras. All right. Hang on one quick second. These are more pale. They're a little bit lighter in color. Not pastel, but just a little bit lighter in color. You get this one here. You get this one here, which is looking white, but it's not. It's actually called Citronella. And then you get a really light blue. You get some black to just anchor everything. And then this beautiful, I forget what it's called, but then this green color over here. So they're just kind of the same in terms of the color family, with the blues, the greens, and the oranges, and the reds, but these are a little bit more subdued, all right? Not as bright as the other ones. So that's the cardstock pack for that. And then you get the tags, all right? You also get a journaling spot, which Fancy Pants is doing, which is called their brag pad, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these are 4x6 brag pads. You get the frames, and you get the little bags, all right, and you get the buttons. And again, from their collection, okay, from their collection, you get, again, the chalk label stickers, which I think, again, they're vinyl, all right, and you get these little pieces over here, and these pieces over here. All right, and again, I showed you the fun hardware and belting. Oh, and you get the envelopes and the flares in this kit. All right, guys. So that is, and some more of the chalk label ribbon here, I believe is what they call it. So this is the Fancy Pants kit, guys. Just really fun, and it's called Memories Captured. All right, but just again, such a really fun project. I can't speak upon it enough. And here it is once again. I gotta say, until I make the project with the Fancy Pants, I'm totally loving this one. Love the way that it looks and how everything just turned out. Lots of fun. So MERS project, guys, if you pick up this kit, remember the tutorial is available for download right now. So you can pick up the kit or the tutorial only. It's on my blog, paperphenomenon.com. This is Kathy, and until next time.